In this video, we're going to be looking at letter codes. For the following questions, the alphabet has been written to help you. Find the missing word or code. The first word and its code has been given, and you need to work out the second word or code using the same method. If the code for bird is CSSE, what is the code for duck? To do this question, we have to work out the rule that turns bird into CSSE. So, going from B to C, we are adding 1. From I to J, we're also adding 1. From R to S, we're adding 1. And from D to E, we're also adding 1. So the rule that converts bird, which is a word, to code, CSSE, is to add 1 to each letter. So we're going to do the same thing for duck. If we add 1 to D, we get E. If we add 1 to U, we get V. If we add 1 to C, we get D. And if we add 1 to K, we get L. So the answer is EDVL. In the second question, we have if the code for taste is SZRSD, what does SNTBG mean? Notice that in this question, we're looking for a word, not a code. So from T to S, we're taking away 1. From A to Z, we're going backwards by 1. So we take away 1. From S to R, we're also going back 1. From T to S, we're also going back 1. And from E to D, we're going back 1. You could see here that going from word to code, we're taking away 1. But if we were to go back the other way, going from code to word, we should be adding 1. So to convert SNTBG to a word, we have to do the exact opposite. So we need to add 1 to S, which gives us T. We add 1 to N, which gives us O. We add 1 to T, it gives us U. We add 1 to B, we get C. And then finally, we add 1 to G, we get H. So the word that we're looking for is touch.